What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Gold, as you can see on the lower time frame, giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can find that trading opportunity, let's look at the bigger picture to see general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. Looking at first of all monthly to see overall picture. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that gold is currently strongly in bullish momentum. Starting from this monthly level of support, we have seen that gold created this long bullish engulfer and then followed by a narrower candle in December, which is also strongly bullish. As you can see, there is no almost no wick at the bottom, a smaller wick at the top, signaling very strong bullish momentum. And with a long bullish engulfer followed by a smaller candle is a continuation pattern. As you can see at the bottom of this monthly support, we see that gold monthly this candle has grabbed liquidity, and that's the sign that gold may continue to go up a lot. Currently the price in a zone where we see that a lower time frame retracement to the downside. So now let's look at weekly time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity. Now this is the weekly chart where we see that very strong momentum as well. Starting with this weekly impulse, we see that gold has broken this long-term downtrending market structure, and then with the retest of this neckline of previous resistance here turning support, we see that gold is now started a new uptrending market structure from here, and from that zone every week we see that gold is creating series of higher low is the sign that gold now is in a strong bullish move. Now if you look at the back to back 4 5 weeks candlestick pattern, we see that this zone is a sign of strong bullish move on gold. Now, if you closely look at the lower part of this weekly candle, we see there is no wick. That's the sign that very strong buying pressure in this market. Now, this week we see there is a little bit of retracement from the top, but it's still the momentum is bullish. As you can see, the previous resistance zone here, which may turn here as a support, we could see a retest of this level as a support, or even without a retest we could potentially see a little push to the upside. As the momentum is high, we could still find bullish trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now let's look at daily perspective how we can see this trading opportunity. Now from the daily time frame we see a bit more clearer price action. If we closely look at overall picture, the structure is very stronger market structure. As you can see, this double bottom on the daily, the price is broken out of this double bottom, and with this breakout what we see that the price basically tested this resistance here, which is the order block the smart money bought from here, tested a support here, support here, support here, and then the price has broken out of this structure this from this channel, and the price was going creating series of higher high and higher low. So we see from the daily time frame there are two impulses. One is here, and the narrow doji is a sign that very little pressure from the seller, and we have seen another impulse. Currently the price from the daily perspective, we see that in the second impulse now the price back to back 3 days in a retracement. So when we see this kind of strong bullish move, we can expect now another attempt from the buyer to create another higher high. So if we take our Fibonacci for the second impulse on daily perspective, we see that the price now almost reaches more than 50%, and now the bulls again pushing that price high. So how we can find trading opportunity in this market? Let's jump on to further lower time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now here we see that from the lower time frame perspective, there was a lower time frame channel has been created. As you can see, this is the 4 hour time frame, and we see a falling channel. Let's draw the support and resistance. And what do we see? The previous session there was a long candle has broken out of this channel, and then the price now immediately has come back to the channel again. So then how we can find trading opportunity is, as the channel is downward, we need to see this channel has broken to the upside, As you can see, this is a bull flag. If you consider from here, an impulse followed by a pattern is a bull flag. So a bull flag initially supposed to break to the downside for liquidity grab in most cases, and then we could see a continuation to the upside. So with that in mind, as you can see, the current session's candle, which is closing around 2 hours later, which is a strong bullish move. What you will be waiting for, the for gold price to break out of this channel to the upside and the retest of this previous resistance here as a support, and then to give us a potential bullish setup on gold. So this is one probability for us to see how gold is doing, which is highly likely to happen. And we could potentially see an inverted head and shoulder, probably creating another doji here, and then to create a bullish move. So basically, as soon as we will find suitable bullish opportunity along this zone on gold to take this move to the upside, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.